who we found on our walk today. A seagull. Normally all we get are the little tiny birds, but hey, bud.
Oh, there they are.
He's smarter than your average seagull. Is the only one I've ever seen come up here to get anything. All the others just go to the beach and hang out at La Jolla. Let me see if I can throw him one more. Hey, bud. I think he's a baby because he's so light in color. The other day when we had French fries, he was gobbling them up. Remember that, Dad? There he is. So we have a new bird friend visitor. We should name him Jonathan Livingston.